treasure. The niggas that bad me gon' bad me forever. R.B. Kobe, but y'all niggas brokey. That's probably why y'all be shacking together. Capo and leader got
There we go, y'all. Oh my God, I don't know if this is skipjack. Pretty big. Yup, big skipjack. Woo! Come here.
They hate me so much, it's a sickening thing. They must have heard wrong on the call. I sent them a sack cause I wanted to shit to the king. When you was a part of the team, we used to be planning our Mexico trip in the spring. We must have been dealing in spur of the moment. Why do we think you could get us a ring? They bragging about how you went home. The fuck
That's a good skipjack, y'all. Good skipjack. I think this is the biggest one yet.
Just go take me a walk by the sea. They diss on a boy till they blue in the face. I put all them faces that's blue in the safe. Really can't find me the words. You niggas is birds. I wish
good
that I knew what to
skipjack, y'all.
say. Louis a block, I don't see a face.
Don't want to lose this guy. Where's my back?